silly. But now it's Bill. Here's the stupid camera, Bill. This video camera, Bill.
I'm the real Bill. You are the fake Bill.
Nice.
Oh!
Nice.
Don't write him a gun.
It's fake. Buddy. Sneaky armpit. No.
I hate you, Bill. I'm never coming back. Fine, you are the real Bill. You are the real Bill.
Now, that you see, I am the real Bill. From Who is Bill, from my first video to now. Comment who you think was the best one of all. I think the best one probably was Urkel, or Schmirkel. I think the best one was Urkel. Do you watch that show named Urkel? Look at all that. Look at it. Look at it. Belly button power. Because nobody resists. Nobody can defeat Bill or can beat Bill. Because that was the real Bill. I'll tell you who the real Bill is next time. But as long as that's, I am the real Bill, and I will always be the real Bill. If anybody wants to defeat me, call my channel. Well,